Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Fiat 500 side light bulb. First, open the bonnet and locate the headlight unit. You will see two Torx screws at the top. Remove these. Gently pull the headlight unit forward to gain access behind it. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. This gives you the necessary room to work. Now that the headlight unit is accessible, locate the side light bulb holder. It's usually a small, black plastic piece. Twist this holder counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees, or 1/4 of a turn. Once loosened, pull the entire holder straight out from the headlight unit. The old bulb can then be gently pulled directly out of its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. With the old bulb removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new 5-watt W5W bulb and carefully push it into the holder. Make sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Now, align the bulb holder with its opening in the headlight unit. Push the holder in and then twist it clockwise by about 90 degrees until it locks securely into place. You should feel a distinct click. Almost done. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the back of the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position, making sure it aligns properly. Reinsert and tighten the two Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's side lights to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.